Guys, a very important video. A lot of you have been messaging me regarding the institute level option form that is available in your login ID. So let me explain this in very detail. Please make sure that you watch it till the end because this will be extremely important. You will know whether or not you should be filling this option form or not. So let us start. So as I've said, institute level option form and how to fill this option form, but it is very important that you understand what exactly is this before even you start filling. Let's see. So मैंने यहाँ पे एक चीज important लिखी है सर. Institute level option form तो आ चुका है, but is that just a formality or it is something that is very important or something that is serious? Let us understand this in detail. Please make sure that you watch it till the end. You might miss on something. इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ बिल्कुल भी skip मत करना एक भी second का. Let's start. So before we move ahead, you have to understand the type of seats in the seat matrix so that you understand कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. Let me explain. So particularly अगर आप देखते हो JBIMS का ये seat matrix है. JBIMS का seat matrix यहाँ पे institute seats is 0. There are no institute level quota. Again मैं कह रहा हूँ end तक सुनना, बिल्कुल भी skip मत करना. Institute seats are 0. Similarly यहाँ पे Sidnam की बात करूँ, institute seats are 0. Even when you talk about Welingkar, PUMBA, the institute seats are 0. But then there are certain colleges such as SIES. SIES में there are institute seats that are total of 36 seats. So there are certain colleges which have institute level quota, that is institute seats, and there are certain colleges which do not have institute level seats. But are you filling this form for these institute seats or some other seats? Let us try and understand. Okay? So particularly you are filling this form for institute level admissions, sir. I repeat, you are filling this form for institute level admissions. Now what are institute level admissions? The admissions that happen against the cap round or at the college level itself. So there are two types of admissions that happen at the college level. One is for the institute level quota. Second is A cap, that is against cap. That is also famously known as against cap, or also known as V cap round, or also known as spot round, So अब कौन से टाइप के? Let's say for example, Sidnam की अगर बात करते हैं, if you refer to my previous year का video, 30% of the seats of Sidnam were vacant in spot round. ठीक है? So these were filled through the spot round, that is A cap round or V cap round, whichever way you would want to call it. So these are the type of admissions that happen at the institute level, that is institute level, and A cap, that is the seats that remain vacant after all the cap rounds. जैसे institute level quota की बात करें तो सिर्फ वैसा ही है अभी in the top 5 की अगर मैं बात करूं, A cap में सब आ सकता है, JB, Sidnam, Welingkar, SIES again because their seats would also remain vacant till cap round, after the cap rounds, and again PUMBA. So you are filling this form for all the kind of seats. Institute level quota as well, against cap round as well, particularly for the institute level admissions. Now how do you fill that and whether that is a formality or whether it is very important, again I'll discuss it at the end. Let's see. Before I move ahead, let me explain. You already know the toppers, above 99 percentile 15, and between 98 to 99 there are 20 toppers. We are starting a new batch on 18th of August, that is the recorded course will also go live that day, and we will have a new batch as well. So if you are interested, you may look at it. ठीक है? So again, you know the process, कहाँ पे कैसे login करना है. Let me tell you step by step. ये आपने login किया, and then you go ahead, you put in your login ID, so on and so forth. Moving ahead, इस तरह से आपको process करना है, and then here you have this new option, that is the IL option form. Let me explain this. ठीक है? ये आपको select courses, आपको already पता है कि क्या क्या करना है, and then you have this rules and regulations, that is instructions. Now, institute level admissions include seats remaining vacant after the completion of all cap rounds, seats under institutional quota. So, would you advise to fill this form? The answer is yes. I would advise. Why? Let me explain again. ठीक है? So, ये आपका process है. ठीक है? यहाँ पे दोनों, बाकी सब कुछ आपको, you can read it out. Okay? Then you have to click on all this, all the categories, again सब कुछ. So, let's say for example, I have given you two options. जमनालाल बजाज की अगर हम बात करें, जमनालाल बजाज भी मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है, चेतना भी मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है. जमनालाल बजाज, इफ यू कुड सी, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन दिया है, अगेंस्ट कैप, दैट इज इफ द सीट्स रिमेन वेकेंट, बिकॉज JBIMS does not have any seats that are of the institutional level quota. चेतना की अगर मैं बात करूं, there are both the options, that is ACAP seats as well and institutional level seats as well. I believe due to my photo or image that IL seat might not be visible to you, but थोड़ा बहुत visible है जहां तक मुझे पता चल रहा है. So yes, you should be filling that. ठीक है. So इस तरह से आपको ये ऑप्शन फॉर्म भरना है. I have just for namesake ये फॉर्म भरा है. JB, Sidney, Chetna, Welingkar, Xavier's, PUMBA. So please don't go by this particular sequence. You may have your own sequence. And JBS किया है, so on and so forth, and then you may freeze this option form. This option form will not affect your cap 2, cap 3, cap 4. This is completely separate. Why is this being done? Particularly before 2000 or till 2024, all the admissions, that is the institute level admissions, used to happen institute wise. For example, सिडनेम का जो भी against cap seats होते थे, वो सिर्फ सिडनेम कॉलेज नोटिफाई करता था, एंड देन यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट टू द सिडनेम इंस्टीट्यूट, एंड देन वहां पे सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. पुम्बा का भी ऐसे ही होता था, लाल लाजपत राय का भी ऐसे ही होता था. सिंस लास्ट ईयर, प्लीज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Since 2025, this was the first time when this option form came in. That is 2025 में ये पहली बार दिखा था. However, 2025 में ये option form होने के बावजूद, despite having this option form available in the login ID, all the admission process, that is the individual institute level admissions, happened college wise. I repeat, happened college wise. So till last year, this complete option form looked like a formality. However, we do not know whether this can take a serious turn, and maybe they would say, okay guys, only those who have filled the IL option form are eligible for against cap seats. Maybe they can do that. Or maybe again it would just be a formality. Sidney would again ask for your data. Welingkar would again ask for your data. PUMBA would again ask for your data. You never know. So as of now, if you have available in this option form is available in your login ID, just for namesake भर दीजिए, option form lock कर दीजिए. DTE might share your data with this institute, and then eventually you might be called for the ACAP rounds as well as the institute level quota round. It could also happen. या फिर again institute level wise भी आपको भरना पड़ेगा. I repeat, अगर आप ये ऑप्शन फॉर्म भरते हो, does not guarantee that you are filled an option form for ACAP as well. आपको वापस शायद विजिट करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए मेक श्योर दैट यू वॉच इट टिल द एंड, जैसे मैंने कहा था. ठीक है. सो दिस कैन आल्सो बी जस्ट अ फॉर्मेलिटी, और दिस कैन बी समथिंग सीरियस एज वेल, बट देयर इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. प्लीज डू फिल दैट. आई एम टेलिंग यू फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 2025 and the previous years as well. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. All the very best. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much.